576 plus 49, 625. So A equals to square root of 625, 25, that is 25. So A you got now 25. Now you want to find the surface area of the frustum first. Now see, the surface area of frustum is given by pi into R1 plus R2 into L. L is slant height and R1 plus R2 are the two base area and base, this radii. Okay, so pi into L is common, so L is 25. We have just now found out this A part. Pi into 25 into R1 plus R2. What is R1? This is 10 and this is 3, right? So 10 plus 3, that is 13. So 3.14 into 25 into 13. So it becomes 1020.5 square meters. See here, remember this formula for frustum. In fact, I would say remember all the formulas for the frustum. That is very difficult. The volume of frustum is also difficult and surface area of frustum is also difficult. So remember both, okay? Now surface area for the cone, top cone. So that is pi RL. L is what? This is 3. Then height is 4. Right? This height we have found out over here. This 4 because total height was 28. This was frustum was 24. So this will be 4. Okay? So this is 4. This is 3. Then L will be what? Root of 3 square plus 4 square, Pythagoras. That is 25. That is 5. So L equals to 5. This is L5. So surface area of cone is what? Pi R into L. 3.14 into 3 into 5. So 47.1. So now you got to both the surface areas. So quantity of canvas is 1020. That is this of the frustum. 0.5 plus 47.1, that is 1067.6 square meters. This much cloth will be required or canvas will be required. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.